about love. Because why? Nothing better pass Na Your Health.
Spell it. S.
H-I-T. Shite.
Shit.
Shit.
Shite.
Shite.
Shit.
You go decide which one you go be.
All right. So yes, they say sometimes it is brown, sometimes it is green. But the thing be say the thing gets a power, heavy power, and it gets secret. Plenty secret wey fit make this our world a better place where we go fit to live in. You know what they talk of? Not be food, not be water. It is your number 2. Welcome to the show where they always talk about your well body. You can't do collab with lifestyle. That's not why we call them Na Your Health. Your Niger half cast na be Luchi no but I know they ever change. And no fear ever waka alone. You know my babe, when you see her, you say hi. So you need to say hi to her.
Hello, you know, say na so with a great for, you know, the queen mothers with them.
It's not like this again.
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's one like this.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome to Na Your Health. You know now, as my sister talk, the #1 place where we carry all the betterment gist to make sure say your body, your soul, plus including your lifestyle, they very, very casual. And the matter where they ground today as we start up now. Shite, aka #2. Or they call them poop. Some people they say, I want to poo-poo. Anyone where you want call them, the matter where they ground today. And I know say as you they hear this thing for your mind, you go say, waiting these people, as in, what are they talking about? I mean, you want to talk about a shiting on the national TV? Yes, because it is very, very important. You get different things where they do. And that's why we go yarn you, waiting, you know, how these shites take, they very powerful. You don't hear say something be weapon of war. So on top of the show today, we go tell you how shite #2 fit be weapon. Then on top of that one, we'll come tell you as the thing, you know, the thing they take, how many times you suppose they, you know, go release them. The average time where normal human being suppose they do them. On top of that one, we go tell you as it's supposed be. When you do and finish, turn back, look inside the toilet. And that is supposed, the normal way it's supposed to be, how it's supposed to resemble. From there, we go even work out tell you why it smell. So you go the one that say these people say, which kind, if they good make you they educated, because the things we want to tell you today, some of them you never hear them before. On top that one, you don't hear say boss, where they drive for road. You know they use normal fuel. Say this one, now shite. Now they use. Then finally, we'll come crown them. You don't hear of kidney transplant, liver transplant, heart transplant. This one, it concerns shiting transplant. No ask me more if you want to know what's in the happen. Stay tuned.
You know say they talk say, some people talk say shite business. They say na serious business. Now very serious. So you need to buckle your seat. Hold it. Una wey they like to do #2. When I go run come out from inside toilet. Hold it now, because if you don't run from toilet, you need to go back and look at it and peep to know how and the category. Because now, shitting, #2, poop, it get level, it get category. The category, we go download them, upload them, unload them, everything load them for you. So hold it, Genti, put your ear, hold your chair, because now your health, it don't start.
All yes, right? So now your health is here for you. And the #1 thing we want yarn you, now how this poop, shite, aka #2, fit be weapon. You know, say some people that they talk say, in fact, now one person Blackberry deep in Asia, he say some people say that love is the best feeling in the world, but he say me, I believe that when I go to the toilet and I release that #2, that's not the best feeling for the world.
Say me, you're telling me what I know or what I the experience?
No need, I beg, not make their ear full yet. Time never reach.
Okay.
So you're shiting as a weapon. You know, say, it gets different things where this shiting they do. You get what they call bio-oil, biofuel. And this biofuel, now fuel where they make, where they know they use chemical or they use natural things. And some of these natural things them, now the shiting where they come out for both animal, both plants, and plus us, we be human being. You know, say get one animal where they call panda, one white and black animal like that. Then talk say it get like 40 microbes inside them, where they feel use make this biofuel. Where they feel use inside, you know, different things like carbons, all of them, boboe. You know my
You
sister.
see, this one a panda, about 40 microbes. But when they talk of animal, we need to enter human being because I'm a human being, you're a human being.
Exactly.
All of us they do number 2.
Hey.
Whether you be Queen, oh, you be Ketension, oh, you be Tyler Perry, oh, you be Dr. Dora, oh, you be Lucio, all of us they do number 2. So no they shame. It see person they do I know their life.
Exactly.
So you need to, it's something you need to talk about. And you need to be proud.
Me, I not agree for that proud owner because you know say you not get shame. The way you they talk your own, and they fear.
Adora, but really, get one time, one number 2 I do so. For time I be the secondary school. I not be fit. I be need external forces to help me do one. And they talk because the nurse get for wear 2 gloves, 2 can. Adora.
You they experience
I said
fecal
that
impaction.
Yeah.
She got to release
This
the
one
place
pass
for you.
constipation level.
Hey.
Because now she get for 2 can. Break and down.
Whoa.
After that one, they can't give me antibiotic medicine
Ew.
to take heal.
Ew.
If you say so, they work at that time. This is personal experience. If you've been there, let me hear you say,
I've not been there.
All right, for this human poop now, you know, say some Sabinus people, them really, for inside China, they don't work go for inside China. Scientists, Sabinus Association, they do proper work on top this our number 2 what they talk of so. So they try to produce one kind of gas what they call hydrogen gas. And with this gas that they use and they create light. So they use and create power where you fit to use to power your house. And this kind of power, they say no do not do. If they work on a proper, they go fit to power community. So nobody your yard, oh, your neighbor yard, oh, your neighbor. All of their yard combined together, they go fit to power them. They say the technique where they even use safe, the technique go just separate water for inside your number 2. You know say your number 2 you go separate the water, you go separate the hard one from the water one. The water, they go turn them to power. The hard one, they go turn them use as fertilizer. Fertilizer for inside farm. So this is your number 2. Very important, if you ask me.
You know, say we talk about plus animal and human being. We don't give you one animal own, can't give you one human being own. On top of that one, you get the one where they call skipper caterpillar. This is not normal caterpillar where you sabi. You know, say in they use in own shite as weapon of war. Unto say if you fire them for here, the thing they travel up to 6 feet. So anything where they within in range, it go not come down. That on a lighter note, one of the things that they pooping things can do.
We would like to continue, but
they don't tell us.
They pursue us. Okay, but really, Dr. Ada, I would like to ask because now you're there for inside this field.
Yes.
Why number 2 supposed to look as he's supposed to look?
Hey, you know, it is very, very important. Say when you finishing shiting things, make you turn.
For White House.
Look, before. Now White House, now you never hear say if you want visit, say I they go visit the White House.
Why they wonder if they give them such a fine name when they go scatter the place. Everywhere.
No, the thing be say it go be white before you enter. By the time they come out, after you have done the do.
I like your TikToking experience.
Happy how you are the main person. The way you have been talking about this pooping very passionately.
Yeah.
The way you are talking about it, I'm sure that I'm suspecting.
I agree.
You agree, Abi? After all, they even put fingers. I made it for come out because you they suffer. Only God knows what you they chop. So talking about what you they chop, you know say your shite, waiting they make them resemble the way they resemble. Now waiting you they chop. Plus some other lifestyle things where you they do. And most of the time, our shite, they contain 75% water. While the other one, now all the plenty boy where they inside our intestine, the food where you chop, the fiber, then all the things where go enter it. Plus the one where even when you chop them, you no digest, all of them go mix inside. So by the time the thing they come out, then you get the one where our body too they go contribute put inside. They call them bilirubin. This one now when red blood cells don't break down, it go release them. Another one they give them that brownish color. That now for the normal one. Oh. So now all these ones they make and resemble as they resemble. So it depends on your lifestyle and waiting you they chop.
And you need to know, say, according to Sabinus people, the shape and the kind way where this your number 2 supposed to be, when you they drop and down, when you're downloading, it's supposed to be S, you know, supposed cut. If you cut
Sabinus
the proper
people,
one,
they talk their own. Everybody talk their own. Not mean say everybody own must form S. How many times your shit they form S?
No, we don't go form S, but you know because
At
of
least
water they drink. And if it be C, but the thing say, make the thing may not too dry like okra, but may not too strong like stone.
Hey.
Make the in between.
I tell you, say now you. I beg we won't work and one enter break now. When we are coming back, like I just said before now, that bus when shiting things they make am to dey move for road. Now you won't see now. Not go anywhere.
Shite.
We dey come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top Na Your Health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na Your Health don return.
All right, welcome back. You still there on top your very own program where they always talk about lifestyle and where they do collabo with Well Body. That's now what they call them, Na Your Health. Today on top the matter, number 2, aka poop, aka shite. Asadara they call them shite. But for me, aka shit. Yes, because I am a proper Naija babe. I know they shame for this kind of thing. Okay, I like to do it all the time. It's a good thing to do.
Hey.
But
You like to do it.
I like to do number 2.
Hi.
I don't know. You see the kind of thing where they
No.
talk?
You like to do number 2.
Yes.
How many people they like to just go toilet, just sit down? As in, I don't
Because if
understand.
they believe your body go just dig make.
well, oh.
But really, as you talk is number 2, so sometimes you go they wonder because some people they are number 2, you get customized smell. You get scent. And don't get it twisted. Scent. The scent, if it be positive, it's really negative.
I
But
take
it
it be
gets
positive.
scent. For some people
Which
they like
shite?
that scent. That is why it's positive. Some people don't like the scent. Some people like other people's scent. So it is negativity
So
for
your
their
own dey
scent.
positive to you.
And I don't talk my own. You want open my leg for inside outside. Look my armpit, baby no day side. Baby no day.
Lucia no born.
Baby no day side. My armpit is white.
They are watching you. Don't
Forget
be
that.
exposing yourself.
Anyway, why if they smell, the kind smell they smell because of the kind bacteria and the kind work, like Dr. Dora talk am, the kind bacteria they for there and the work they do for there. The work. So if they chop some kind things them, if they chop some kind food like you, they chop corn. Corn they hard to digest. That's why sometimes when you chop corn, you go see am for your number 2. Carrot self. Sometimes if you chop them, you go see am. They call am insoluble fiber. Insoluble.
That's about insoluble.
Insoluble fiber.
That na fiber we not they break down. We
No
not
dey
they digest.
It too strong for body to digest.
Exactly.
Well. So based on that one, we are now going to show you the different category. Hey, now you need to know that number 2 get levels. It depends on your level. Which level are you in? Are you still in level 1? When your mates are in level 7? Or are you still in level 0? When your mates don't enter level 1? Adora, tell me the level. Which level are you in?
This leveling things, you know, say you get different types of shiting. Like I talked before. And now, okay, if you don't know, now wait till me won't tell you now. Yes, you get different types. They get type 1, reach type 7. And the very first one, now, you know, you don't see where goats shit before. All those small, you go down, they drop on small for road. They call them pellets. In the Oyibo, that's what they call them. Pellets. So if you dey experience that kind shiting, not be normal thing, no. It's not normal at all. They experience some problem day, and you got to see your doctor to let you know what is really going on. The number 2 one, you get the one where they call it be like sausage. You don't chop sausage before.
Not be your favorite food. Do you ask?
I like sausage now. I know they complain. I don't complain at all. But this kind, the one where this one resemble, if the sausage be like say get ridges, come be like say them plaster and for side like that. As you when you see the shite, be like say, what you don't watch this thing, Incredible Hulk.
Hey, Fantastic Four. Yes.
Incredible Hulk. That guy when they be like say them plaster and body with different things. That one not normal. If not so your shite be. That one self, you know, normal, I beg.
All right, still on top, Dr. Rai, you still get another kind of sausage now. You know, apart from the one they plaster like that.
Hey, you get that one where it be like say get ridges. Be like say they cut them for the side. Oh, help us, Father. Be like say they cut the sausage for the side like that. All those ones. You know, so when you shit some kind shit, go be like say the thing they break. Like building, like brick when they get crack for different side. That one self not still good.
Okay, but we also get another type. And this level, this category, if you did for a year, you need to find another level enter. Because this one be like sausage, but they need to say it's smooth. it's smooth, it be like snake. If not so your number 2 be my guy, my girl, my babe, my bloke, my dad, my mom, you need to find another level. Come up for them because it's not a good thing at all.
At all. Anyway, okay. We still dey sound you on top the different typing of shitting things. But if you want to know more, we no go release all give you for here now. We go just drop everything. You want to know more? Waka go.
They go still see on you. Even that you see when you want to give them orijo, no they give them complete orijo. Or either you give them or no give them at all. Because right about now, so how will go break say for us? They follow talk now. Go they show for their television. All the category plus one.
And then if they want to know more on top the matter, they fit go our Facebook page now. You go give them, some information on top the matter. The remaining type day. Yes. So I beg, not try touch that dial. We shall come back. Next thing we want to show you. Now that transplant where we dey talk about how you fit transfer some kind enzymes inside person body to another person body to help the person to be shiting well. We dey come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
This ecology experiment is one of many that have demonstrated how ecosystems with many species tend to be more resilient than those with few species. We're biased towards this particular grassland experiment because it's run by one of our writers, but strength in species numbers is also key to the health of ecosystems ranging from potato fields to rivers to the inside of your gut. In contrast, when a single species is dominant, it can cause problems. Take the case of Clostridium difficile, a natural part of your gut community that causes a severe inflammation of the colon when it becomes too abundant. This bacteria, often referred to as C. diff, was named difficile because it was difficult to grow in a lab, not because it's difficult to treat. But it is. C. diff infections often develop because these bacteria persist better and regenerate faster than other gut bacteria following an antibiotic treatment for some unrelated health problem. Ironically, the standard treatment for C. diff is yet more antibiotics, which sometimes works, but in many cases the antibiotic resistance of C. diff means the playing field is simply cleared of its competitors and its population can grow even more vigorously. So vigorously, in fact, that of the roughly 500,000 people infected each year in the US, about 1 in 30 die as a result, even after further drug treatments or surgery to remove parts of the colon. Out of desperation came the idea to entirely replenish the gut microbiome, not with probiotics, which only supply something like 1 living organism for every 10,000 bacterial cells already in your gut and just aren't powerful enough to make a difference, but rather with something more like the microbial equivalent of a blood transfusion. And just like a blood transfusion, don't try this at home. In a fecal microbiota transplantation, or poop transplant, someone with a healthy, diverse community of gut bacteria donates a sample to be administered to a patient with a C. diff infection. And in about 400 of 470 documented cases, the transplanted bacterial community quickly became dominant, causing the patient's digestive system to recover and stabilize, though scientists still don't know exactly how that happens. The human gut isn't the only ecosystem where this germ of an idea is taking hold, either. For example, transplanting soil from healthy fields to unhealthy ones helps knock back crop diseases and make soils more fertile. And transplanting water, snails, and duckweed from a pond to an aquarium helps maintain a well-balanced fish tank. At the moment, microbial transplant therapy for disease control resides at the fringes of medicine, agriculture, and home fish tank husbandry. For medicine, this may in part be due to people being squeamish about their own and others' fecal matter, and insurance companies being squeamish about covering the cost of the procedure. But money also plays a broader role. New practices, even really good ones, have difficulty spreading without active promotion, and that promotion often comes from places like the pharmaceutical, agrochemical, and home aquarium industries. Industries which promote only those things from which they can make a profit, like drugs, fertilizers, aquarium supplements, and other heavily engineered chemical cocktails. But who will promote the simple solutions? We will. From your C. diff to recoup, choose someone else's poop.
Now your health will return.
Technology.
You see it?
Now what do you bo?
My dear, they left with them
They not do. It is where.
Then transfer.
So,
I mean, you got no
for
good
example,
ever know say that kind of
if I dey get problem with shitting, they fit collect some enzymes your body put for my own.
No, my own are gold. It's too scarce.
It's too scarce.
The type where I get.
So if I need help, you know, give me help.
Not where money
you don't dey talk am for national TV.
See, then no
Lucy, later you go tell me say you love me.
Na by mouth oh.
Hey yeah.
It not pass you. It not pass.
I know where I go jam you. No. Not before here.
Number 2.
We go set
White House.
Anyway, we don't dey yarn you this matter they come on top shiting things aka as Hoyibo they call them poop. Also known as number 2 for this side. In case you never sabi waiting number 2 be now. If person say, I dey go do number 2, they go visit White House be that. And we don't tell you as this poop fit be weapon of war. We don't even tell you how the thing supposed resemble. We don't tell you safe why they smell. We don't even give you a video of one bus where the thing where they move the bus now poop, and how Oyibo they use their technology to make sure say my neighbor no die because I go feel help am just in case e no fit, do that number 2. They can carry some enzymes from my body, put them for your own, make it for work. But me, I'm a cheerful giver, not be like Luchin where they hold her own.
Now so you go give finish, just you go even difference your belly.
It go there. Anybody where they give, you go get more. You never hear that one before.
Oh, that one no, they apply for everything. No, you know which one my rights. You know which one my rights are still there. I know they choke you.
So anyway, if you want to join us on top the matter, I beg we dey on top Facebook, like we tell you before. Just enter there, type na your health, you go see us for there. Then on top that one, we dey on top a Instagram. On top that one, we even getting a Twitter. You can Twitterize us on top
any which level. And for you, somebody they always like to go toilet. You always like to do number 2, sit down with paper, sit down with radio, sit down with earphone, they listen to music. It is not a good thing. The more you stay inside there, the more blood no go fit flow reach down below. You go cause it to what they call hemorrhage. And sometimes you go make the blood vessel they swear. You just reason that now, not be something where they use to
No, hemorrhoids.
Oh, no.
AKA pile.
Hemorrhoid.
Yes, that's the way they.
See, that is why you need to be with me. So that we can be
rubbing minds and releasing things.
Exactly.
But that sitting down in the toilet, no mean say if you just sit down,
rush.
That one go, you can't get the hemorrhoid. Now, if as you they sit down, you they do, they push them. That pressure. I don't see they do that kind of thing before that.
I see there's something they do at a different level.
And then you don't see.
And as they do like that, that's what they do. Doom. That's why they fall for it. Doom. That's why you go only they hear. Oh, and the one where they scatter toilet. If you go White House, you go don't do a. Everywhere like this, you say.
I know on national TV. Oh,
it's very educative. It's like what teaching people. But really, at this junction, with all that we've come and tell you, number 2, they're very, very important.
Very.
See, joke apart, come up play. Number 2, they're very important, and it could make you do them as often or as much as you feel to do them, because right about now we have come and end today's episode.
Yes. We have finished it. So please do number 2 as often as you can.
Yes. And check it though. Don't just run. Do them. Come out. Then use this is scrub. Oh, use them to scrub. You know, some when they go do number 2 for White House, they don't go even carry the brush. They don't go when they flush and they go just run. They don't go even sit down, stand, say, okay, man, look whether the thing they float or the thing they sink, or whether the thing water wash and finish.
You don't say for this show. We don't tell you say you get some kind of things where they're very, very important. You don't feel peace. You don't feel shit. Sorry. You know fit do number 1 or do number 2.
Oh, you know.
And you not look back. You got to look back before you flush, and because you're number 1 and you're number 2, we tell you some kind things about your health, the state of your casualness of your body.
I cannot come
yes.
out.
So make you know they use that kind of thing play at all.
Come out.
No, nobody.
It's very important.
Very, very important.
You know, certain why I be there small. When I be there secondary school, I they do number 2 once a week. Once a week.
No wonder that nurse got to do that thing for you.
I see that one. But that one don't teach me this. After that once a week, oh boy, now short put be the way forward. But you know, short put die for secondary school. They don't catch me. Hey, short put. You could do that black nylon.
Hey.
I mean, what would say?
At
12 midnight.
I know.
Not 12 because you know, say if you want to do bad thing. No, this was not even bad. But if you want to do something like that, you don't have for darkness. So they don't go catch your shadow. They go see the one catch you.
I knew there was something about it.
Don't put the nylon. Balance yourself for bush. Put the nylon for the air. It's fire.
Hey, weapon of war.
Oh my Jesus, my destruction. All right. I don't say you don't enjoy today's episode, but don't forget our social media still there for you to check your mouth. Like Dr. Dora don't talk but we're going to buy small bit because other things are gone. You know, other market have to sell. We have to sell because after this place, we need to go and shop, eat, sleep, do number 2, all of them. So Dr. Dora, we're going.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.